foods to avoid. Avoid
taking dairy products during cold and cough. They can further increase the mucus production. Avoid taking rice. Avoid taking juices as they have high sugar content that further reduces white blood cells' capacity to tackle illness. The acid in the juices also irritate the throat. Avoid taking fried snacks and processed foods as they can lead to inflammation, which further makes the immune system weak. Caffeine is a big no during cough and cold as it further dries out cough and can cause breathing issues. Avoid taking alcohol too. If you think having alcohol during cold keeps your body warm, let us tell you that it rather deteriorates your immune system and also dehydrates the body. It makes the situation worse and weakens the immune system. And if you have phlegm, cough, then avoid eating banana as it increases the mucus production because it's thick. Rather than taking ready-made juices, go for fresh juices or fruits. It is good for immunity, but if you are suffering for cold and cough, avoid taking juices.